guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially change your profile on Discord, but like this only works if you have Nitro, like the header and the profile as well. So select your profile and you are going to select the edit profile button. So this is my user profile. This will be seen by like everybody like on any server. So you can change the banner here by choosing upload image or choosing GIF. You can also select the change avatar, and you also have this profile theme, which again only Nitro users have. So like you can change the color versus you want this like pink gradient kind of, and so the accent color you're just going to select a darker kind of pink. I'm just going to reset it though. And if you want to change like your profile on like a specific server, go to server profiles and select the server that you want to change your profile in. So here, as you can see, it's different, but you're just going to basically change everything, and then you can just press the save like button here once you're done with it. And that is basically it. So this is my server profile, and this is my essentially like just profile. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!